Hey guys, Stormleo here. Welcome to today's video. So I've been working all day, but I got home at about 7:10 or something like that, and me and the boys and the missus all snuggled up on the balcony in our dressing gowns and watched the fireworks for a little while. It was pretty nice. I got this picture. Which is wicked. Nice little family picture. Everyone was looking at the camera. It's one of those moments, you know, that you can't make up. It was really cool. So yeah, that was my day, and that was a happy bonfire night, everyone. Hope you have a good time seeing all the fireworks. It's pretty cool. Yeah, thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe. I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. Adios.